Welcome back, you guys, another video. Now I went ahead and I bought these power switch. I bought actually two of them, but this one I didn't like. I'm gonna return it anyway. So the one I ended up with is this. So as you can see, it's a power switch, on and off. So this is something like really like preferences. It's not something that you have to do, or like you're thinking of doing it. Now the reason why I'm making this video, it's because it's whenever I do stuff on the car, I want to show you guys what I do. So I figured out that I could mount it either, wait a minute, right here, like after I took out these top right here. I think I could fit it either here or the other side, which I preferably right there. So let's get to the reason, let's get to the point. Why am I installing this? I'm gonna show you guys. Let me open the trunk. So excuse all the mess right here, but let's just get to the point. So right here I have if you know me, I'm a really big audio head. So if you know me, I'm really big head on audio. So what I have right here is a DVD player. It's 5.1 surround sound, and this is like the subwoofer, motherboard, whatever. So in order to make this run on the car, you need some sort of like power inverter or converter, whatever. And in this case, I have this best tech, whatever, I don't know the name anyway. So that goes from from 12 volt, which I used to do right here, from 12 volt converted to a plug, like power plug, you know what I mean. Yeah. So the reason what I'm having right now, I switched the DVD player that I used to have in the past because it used to take like a long time to turn on. With this, it turned on right away, no problem. But the problem is this power converter or inverter, when it takes power from the 12 volt outlet, sometimes if I turn like the volume up a little bit, the amount of power I guess that it takes from the 12 volt is not enough, so this automatically turns off. So what I've done, I took like the wire directly to the battery. But the problem is I have a power switch here, on and off. But it works. But the reason why I don't want to turn it off and off, turn it on and off every time, turn on the audio off and off, and then when you turn off the car, that thing's still on because it's connected to the battery. So the only reason you could turn it off by clicking that toggle right there off. So what I was thinking of, that's the actual the cable goes from that converter or inverter all the way to the battery, if you could see right here, and then it's split to the positive and negative. So what I was thinking of, I have the power switch sitting right here, and then install somewhere in the car, right there in the cabinet. So and then by slicing up the wires from and then by slicing up the wires from the converter or the inverter, and then the wires to the battery, I could have a switch on and off. So let me demonstrate that for you guys, and let's see how it works. So the power switch is, I guess it's off right now. Okay, the power switch, there's a lot of sun. Okay, the power switch is on the off. Let's put it on. Damn it. Okay, it's on. The power switch is on. Double make sure. Yep, it's on. So it's on. But the power inverter is off. But let me turn it on. If you can see, the fan is turned. If I turn it off, the fan stops. Let me keep it on. Okay, it's on. And then let's put this off. It's hard to, okay, it's off. Let's see if it's turned off. Yep, the fan does not work. See, and even if I on, off, on, does not work anymore. So that's great. That means that I don't have to open the trunk every time I turn the car off, and every time I want to turn the audio on, turn it off and off, turn it on and off. So by having like a power switch right here, it's gonna make my life real easy. Now, again, this is like a self preferences. You know, I want it to be that way, and if you think that if you want to do something similar, it doesn't have to be because of the audio. You know, you may run like a wire from the battery to whatever, lighting, whatever it could be. It doesn't have to be audio, guys. Like, you get the idea. You could have like the power switch on and off to whatever you want to install in the car. This is really a smart idea, so you don't drain the battery. So whenever you don't use whatever you plugged into the battery, you could turn it off by toggling this power switch. And this, guys, like this is really cheap. Like, I got this really fancy looking good one, and this was like $5, I guess. It's not that expensive. Like, it's really, and it's gonna be really good looking right there. People will be like, oh, what the hell is that? Is that like from Fast and Furious and stuff? No, it's not that thing. It's just gonna be like something that you could toggle on and off. Okay, so I actually changed my mind. Instead of having it that way right there, I'm gonna put it right here. So I put some electric tape on it a little bit, and I managed to feed it. I made a hole right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so I made like a hole right here, so I could feed it through. Okay, and this square right here, or like a rectangle, it fits perfectly. Okay, right here, it's better. Okay, this rectangle right here, it fits perfectly. Let me show you. It looks like it was made for this, to be honest. Like, look how perfect it could go. Now, of course, it gets out because of the cable compressed in the background, but looks how perfect it could go. It goes seamlessly with the, just like a little bit. You know, you could push it, but you could. And if you're wondering what this is, you could just put it back like after the installation. So I made a hole right here. I'm just gonna feed it through and put this back in together, and I'm gonna show you there, guys. I'm gonna show you the final result. Alright, so here's your final product. It's not the prettiest, but it gets the job done, you know what I mean? Like, on, off. That's really what matters. That's really what I need. And I mean, it looks pretty decent, to be honest. It doesn't look that bad. You know, as long as it functions, that's really what matters. So, I mean, yeah, it looks pretty cool.